For another vlog, ladies and gentlemen. As you're aware, I apprehended this demonic symbol being used worldwide. The one-eyed symbolism, the mark of the beast, the Antichrist, being used to collect unlawful revenue, illegal, unlawful, fraudulent revenue when there's no form of live injury. As you're aware, they claim you have civil rights. They claim you have property rights. They claim you have women's rights. They claim you have equal rights. These are all deceitful lies, ladies and gentlemen. You have no forms of rights, as you just have to be forced to pay the money, even when there's no form of live injury. Even if you go to the court, they'll put more charges of more money being demanded on you, when there's no form of balance to be paid in the first place. They'll all gang up together immediately and transgress these molesters. So as I've advised, there's no forms of laws or no forms of rights, no women's rights, no equal rights, no property rights. So they claim you have all forms of rights. This is unlawful, and they're telling lies, deceitfully claiming these things, deceitfully claiming you have rights. As I've advised, they claim these are Christian lands. Also advised under the Holy Bible laws, under Christian laws, men and women cannot be taxed. It's immediately unlawful and illegal and fraudulent and theft by deception perpetrated. Be aware of this. Money is their demonic god. Be aware of this. The debt-based money is their god. That's why they have to be paid it no matter what. They could even kill you in the process if you don't pay this money. Be aware of this, ladies and gentlemen. In a civil litigated matter, they fail to recognize the Holy Bible laws as the English law, as the common law, as the Holy Bible laws. They fail to recognize biblical laws and Christian law, ladies and gentlemen. This is how corrupt these administrators are in these courts, these molesters and transgressors. Judgment will come on every single one of them on the land lawfully. These molesters, worldwide transgressors, protecting pedophilia, Jimmy Savile, Lord Janner, Rolf Harris, and the ex-Prime Minister of England, Ted Heath, who was also a paedophile, even their ex-Prime Minister. Be aware of this. The situation is worldwide. These pedophiles are being protected worldwide in high positions. Now I've been forced to speak out against the tyranny and transgression, which has been kept on being covered up by these molesting policemen and these judges and these Freemasons in the lodges, protecting and harboring these kind of fraudulent activities, stealing money, acting in theft by deception. Be aware of this, ladies and gentlemen. As they're always acting in theft by deception, this is why they spend their money on illegal warmongery. Be aware of this. Illegal paedophile protection rackets worldwide. Illegal funding of pedophilia. Illegal funding of more demonic symbols on parking tickets being administered worldwide. Be aware of this. They use demonic symbology and demonic numerology worldwide, as I've advised in the previous vlogs. So I continuously, daily I upload a vlog to expose the fraud and corruption and tyranny and transgression against the biblical laws of the land and the civil laws and civil liberties and civil rights, breach of personal liberty, breach of personal rights, breach of human rights law, violation of human rights law. Be aware of this, ladies and gentlemen. They protect unlawful illegal activities for as long as they can. They harbor transgressors and molesters and pedophile protectors worldwide, and they protect them worldwide. And the more demonic and satanic the Freemason is, the more protection he has, the higher level he is. Be aware of this, ladies and gentlemen. Recognize the corruption worldwide and the tyranny and transgression and the violation of all forms of laws worldwide. Oh, people are now recognizing the times of pestilence and transgression on the land worldwide. And they recognize what's actually being perpetrated against the poor people worldwide. unlawful illegal taxes worldwide to suppress the poor people unlawfully put in debt, illegally and fraudulently. We are aware of this. They fail to recognize Holy Bible laws, Christian law, and the biblical laws of the land. These court-molesting transgressors, administrators sitting up there with their wigs on, the molesters, thieves and tyrants and bullies and fraudsters, and corrupt administrators involved in the worldwide pedophile racket worldwide, protecting these activities. Most of them have full knowledge about it and continue to protect it. Some of them have no knowledge about it, but they're still secretly protecting the racket. Be aware of this. There's so many people fighting this tyranny and transgression worldwide. Most of them are aware of the facts and what they're being forced to protect unlawfully and illegally. Be aware of this, ladies and gentlemen. All these court staff, all these policemen, all the security guards in these courts, they're all part of this racket worldwide. And they're all linked to the Freemason lodges worldwide. And they're bowing down to the devil, summoning the one-eyed beast, the Antichrist, from very many centuries worldwide. Be aware of this, ladies and gentlemen. Recognize what's been going on for many thousands of years. Don't let many more generations be deceived by these demonic symbols and the demonic numerology. Take back your wisdom and take back your knowledge. Take back your full understanding of the law. That's why I continuously upload a vlog informing everybody to act lawfully and learn your lawful rights. Be aware of this. Learn full laws and full rights. Ladies and gentlemen, everybody must do this individually. This is everybody's duty and responsibility. As I've advised, judgment will come on the land worldwide. Holy Jesus will return. The Anointed One, Holy Jesus, will return, ending all transgression and molestation of the biblical laws, ending all these illegal and lawful taxes fraudulently, and restoring equal rights and lawful justice. End of vlog.